Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tone generator and probe kit that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Fluke Network's tone generator and probe kit. This tone generator kit has the range of transmitting its signal up to 10 miles. With its high-volume speaker, you get to hear the signal sound very loudly in noisy environments. Your toner also carries a lanyard that enables you to hang your toner, making your hands free of stress from holding the toner. Another thing that gives you the confidence to buy this kit is its durability. You will be happy to know that your kit lasts for years provided you carry out proper maintenance of it. It also has a noise filter that helps you in easing your wire identification process in a bundle of wires. You don't get this feature with other brands. With its feedback feature, you can easily verify cables by shorting the pairs of those cables. Moving on at number 4, we have Klein Tools VTV 500-820 kit. Committed to American manufacturing, since 1857. Klein Tools is dedicated to manufacturing the world's finest hand tools right here in America for professional tradesmen worldwide. Extremely user-friendly, this tone and probe kit tester is very popular among electricians. You can use it for testing all kinds of common wires that include coaxial wires, twisted wired, de-energized AC wires, etc. Your Klein tool comes with advanced features to give you more accurate results. It comes with a LED display to let you read the results on screen, also along with hearing sound. It will prevent you from missing any sound signal which you may miss in a high noise environment. LED display also awares you of overloading of your kit, that keeps you safe from any kind of hazard due to overloading. At number 3, we have XTEC 40180 tone generator and probe kit. XTEC tone generator and amplifier probe set is capable of identifying and tracing the wires or cables. It is also helpful to check the operation of phone lines. It has insulated inductive probe which notifies the user about the wire or cable with an audible alert. With inbuilt speaker and headphone jack, it is helpful to listen clearing even in noisy work environments. The continuity LED is capable of lighting up 10,000 ohms. When the resistance increases, the brightness of LED will automatically be diminished. It comes with 2 tone types that include wobble and continuous. It is CE approved and comes with tone output of 1 kHz and 6 volts square wave. It comes with an alligator clip and features a ringing line test and tip ring identification. At number 2, we have Fluke tone generator. You can use this model to tone and trace non-active wiring, so it's also more versatile than other products. The tone can travel for up to 10 miles along a cable before it starts to diminish, and this model is equipped with a louder speaker so that you can hear it in busy work environments. The toner even comes included with a convenient lanyard from which you can hang it to keep your hands free. Durability is another one of this tone probe's main advantages, as it's built to last for years, as long as you take proper care of it. When working with larger bundles of wire, the included noise filter makes your life so much easier that they can't imagine working with another kit. And finally at number 1, PTE tone generator and probe kit. PTE is aimed at creating affordable products for both amateurs as well as professionals. All their products are easy to use and give you reliable performance without cutting your pocket much. Another low-price tone generator and probe kit in your list. PTE brand are easy to use and you can use it for continuity testing in your circuit and wire tracing, tone mode, in your panel with bundled wires. Your tone generator has LED light indication to tell you whether it is running on continuity mode or tone mode. You can easily switch between both modes using its easy-to-click the switch button. You can use it in tone, or wire tracing mode, using only its 1 alligator clip. Your probe kit features sensitivity control that helps you in avoiding false detections. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.